students, welcome back my channel e-learning. In the EVS subject, EVS 1, we learn in the previous video we learn the life cycle of animal. Okay, in this lesson we learn the different animals having a different quality or dissimilarities or similarities of the animals. Life cycle of hen, life cycle of butterfly we are studied. Okay, in what is this, children? This is a family. Okay, family is a group of peoples who are related to each other. Everyone have a family, or everyone know the importance of family. In the family, relationship is very important. Okay, or every relationship remove the stress, anxiety, and to help them and to feel safe and secure. Now relationship means friendly or lovingly connection between the peoples. Okay, the relationship means friendly or lovingly relation or connection between the peoples is called relationship. Children, do you know what is interrelationship? Interrelationship, the way in which two or more things are connected with each other, are called interrelationship. Okay, interrelationship means the way in which two or more things are related to each other or connected to each other is called interrelationship. Okay, for example, a man is depend on fruits, vegetables, medicines, or wood, etc. This is how we come to know the interrelationship each other. Okay, I hope all are understood the example of interrelationship. Means man is depend on the tree because tree provide the oxygen. Okay, this is a basic need. Oxygen is very important to survive or to live in the environment or to live. Okay, everyone. Okay, for animals or man both. Okay, today we will learn the interrelationship between living things. This is the second lesson of the EVS 1 of 4th standard. Okay, in this lesson, the a riddle to solve. Riddle means paheli. Okay, riddle is an old tree with the an old age tree with a thick strong trunk gives deep dark shade from scorching sun. Scorching means sunlight, hot sunlight is scorching. Like an old man beard with many strain, it has ropes for swing from every branches. इसका मीनिंग ऐसे है, ये एक पहेली है जिसे आपको सॉल्व करना है कि एक ओल्ड एज वाला ट्री है, यहाँ पे जो पिक्चर में शो हो रहा है वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, उसका ट्रंक बहुत डीप है, डार्क शेड है, शेड जो है वो अपने को सेव करता है स्कोचिंग सन से, मतलब जो सनलाइट रहती है, जो जला देने वाली बर्निंग सनलाइट रहती है उससे सेव करता है. लाइक ऑन द ओल्ड मैन बियर्ड, और वो जो उसकी जो वहाँ पे जो रोप जैसे कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है तो वो कैसे है, एक दाढ़ी जैसे है, बूढ़े ओल्ड मैन की कैसी दाढ़ी रहती है उस टाइप के हैं. इट हैज़ अ रोप ऑफ स्विंग, उससे आप क्या रोप जैसे भी वर्क कर रहा है ये, और उससे आप क्या कर सकते हैं, स्विंग कर सकते हैं फॉर फ्रॉम एवरी ब्रांचेस. ओके, मतलब आप झूला भी झूल सकते हैं. विच इज ट्री? This is a banyan tree. Okay, it's a banyan tree. Okay, in this lesson, second chapter, now let's we learn the needs of living things are meet in their environment. Okay, living things are meet in their environment. We need air, water, food, clothes, shelter in our daily day-to-day life. Okay, or satisfy our need. Satisfy our need. Food from for the survival, these needs are necessary, or this is a basic needs of every living our human being. Okay, human being, basic need of human being is food, water, air, clothes, shelter, and all our needs are fulfilled by environment. Okay, for food we get from plant, animal, and air. Okay, food we get from plant, animal, and air. Water we get from rain, river, lakes. Similarly, clothes we get from air, we get from plant. Okay, or clothes we get from plant and animals. Or shelter resources are available, human being houses or animal living houses. For animal living houses is also necessary, or for safety. Okay, or similarly animal living houses is also necessary. Okay, these are the basic needs. Okay, all needs by the resources available from the environment. Hence the need of all living things are meet from the environment. Okay, the animals, these are the basic needs, or human needs, or all needs of the living things. Do you think that the needs of all living things are fulfilled from environment? Or children, the need of the living things, do you think that the need of all living things is same? Yes, no. The all living things having a different needs. Okay, for example, a mouse. This is a mouse. Water that a mouse drink a whole entire day would not become enough for an elephant इवन एट टाइम. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, जैसे अगर एक माउस है वो पूरे दिन में जितना पानी पीता है, क्या उतना पानी सफिशिएंट होगा एलिफेंट के लिए वन डे के लिए? नो, because every living things having a different needs. Okay, understood? Next, second example is a fish can swim in the water or survive in the water, but fish cannot survive on the land. He die on the land. Okay, or similarly pigeon is not swim or not survive in the water. Okay, because because pigeon is a bird now, that's why he is not survive in the water. Or the second next example, third example is bulrushes. Bulrushes, the one type of the grass. Okay, or means a plant grow in the water, but imagine that lemon tree survive in the water or water area? No, lemon tree is not a water plant. Okay, that means these are the examples. आप लोग समझ गए होंगे ये सब एग्जाम्पल देख करके. एनिमल्स में जैसे एनिमल्स की जो नीड है वो डिफरेंट होती है, मीन्स उसका जो फूड या फिर उसका शेल्टर, ओके, जैसे डिफरेंट होता है वैसे ही जो है प्लांट इज़ ऑल्सो अ लिविंग थिंग, तो वो भी जो है सर्वाइव करते हैं. उनका जो है जो नीड है वो भी डिफरेंट रहता है. जैसे बुलरश जो प्लांट रहता है उसको बहुत सारा पानी चाहिए, बट लेमन ट्री को इतना पानी नहीं चाहिए, वो कम पानी में भी सर्वाइव कर सकता है. ओके, so the children's, the need of the different living things are different. I hope all are understood. Okay, the next topic is try this. One experiment is given in your textbook. Okay, first of all you take 2 pots. Okay, very easy or simple experiment. Take two small boxes or pots, label box A and B, fill in the 3/4 with the soil, make the soil moist enough to sow seeds. Sow 2 spotted mote seed in the each box. Okay, and then give 2 spoon of water to the soil of box A only once every day. Okay, only how much time? One time. Okay, one day one time. Okay, how much spoon? 2 spoon of water. Give 4 spoon of water to the other box of 4 times. Okay, or other box B, in the B box water required is 4 spoon or once time a day. Okay, we observe. Okay, what will you see? The plant in the box A or 1 are growing well, but the plant in box 2 have begun to root. मीन्स क्या हो रहा है, वो जो प्लांट 1 में जो है, ए में जो है अपन ने जो पानी डाला था 2 स्पून, तो वो ग्रो हो रहा है, बट प्लांट जो बॉक्स 2 में जो बी में जो डाला था अपन ने वो क्या हो गया है, मुरझा गया है. व्हाट दिस टेल अस? द प्लांट दैट आर नॉट एक्वेटिक एनिमल. प्लांट जो है वो पानी में ग्रो होने वाला प्लांट नहीं है, इसीलिए cannot grow in the marshy area. If they get more water, then they need their root. Okay, वो कैसे हो जाएगा, मुरझा जाएगा. Okay, I will give the next example. Let's take the example of tiger. Okay, what is this? This is a tiger. Tiger has a strips. Okay, in his body. A tiger lies in a wait for its prey among all tall grasses. Okay, such type of grasses. Okay, its prey cannot see in the grass because of the strips. Okay, उसको कोई देख नहीं सकता क्योंकि वो ग्रासेस में जो है उसके स्ट्रिप्स की वजह से सेफ रहता है. देयर आर एनिमल्स लाइक अ डियर and the nilgai and the bison are in a grassland. When the tiger is hungry, it can feed them. Okay, this is a bison, this is nilgai, and when the tiger is hungry, then it can feed on them. For a tiger, there also need to be a water hole nearby, which never dries up even in the summer also. Okay, like this. There must also be dense vegetation, tall grasses or caves in a hill mountain area, so that the tiger can find shelter. Okay, a tiger inhabit means live an area where all things are available. Okay, in the next chapter, topic, can you tell me some answers? From where do we get silk? From where do we get silk? Silk, this is a silk. Okay, silk is obtained from the cocoons of leaves of a mulberry silkworm. Okay, silk is a natural proteins fiber which obtained from the cocoons of the silkworm. It is a natural filament produced by a salivary gland of silkworm, which are type of mouth that feed on the mulberry bushes. Okay, remember that this is about the silk. Or the answer of this, from where do we get silk? Silk is obtained from the cocoon of the leaves of the mulberry tree or a silkworm. Okay, next question is, how are tree useful for monkey? Okay, next question is, how are tree useful for monkey? Listen beta, tree provide a shelter. Tree provide a shelter, food and safety for monkey. Okay, that's why tree is useful for monkey. Okay, next question is, how are tree useful for birds? Similarly, tree provide the shelter and safety for a birds. Next question is, how are tree useful for birds? Answer is, tree is useful for birds because tree provide the shelter and safety for the birds. Okay, remember that. Next question, what happen if termites makes a tree hollow? ओके, व्हाट हैपन, क्या होता है जब ट्री पे जो है टर्मिट्स लग जाता है तो क्या होता है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टर्मिट इज अ स्मॉल इंसेक्ट दैट ईट अ वुड. ओके, आंसर इज अ टर्मिट इज अ स्मॉल इंसेक्ट दैट ईट वुड. दैट्स व्हाई टर्मिट्स मेक अ hollow on a tree. Okay, remember that. I hope all are understood. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Okay, and please share and like my video. Thank you for watching this video. Okay.